Hi, today we are going to do a comparative analysis between building data analytics module in-house within your platform to how it is done, with a tool like Orcablue. So, for example, you are the product owner or founder of a SaaS platform, B2B platform, who are serving 100 plus customers with around 300 to 400 users totally, right, across those 100 plus customers. And between all your exercises, and talking to different customers, you've understood there are around 25 dashboards or reports that you have to build with, complete filters and interactivities, and there might be additional few reports for some of the top customers, but other than that you have a standard data warehouse. So this is where you are, and now you want to plan out a data analytics module. So first you decide to plan it out in house, and if you're doing it in house, you would need a team to do this, right? So let's look at the team. So to do this completely in-house, you would probably need two front-end developers with one back-end developer and a lead. The team of four would take around 2 to 3 months to build something like this. And once this is built and rolled out to the customers, you can then optimize the team to a one front-end back-end to maintain and run this as business usual, right? Now, what do you get out of this? So in 2 to 3 months, you get a data analytics module in your platform where there are 20 to 25 dashboards and reports with filters and interactivity built out, and this is rolled out to your customers in 3 months. And any other reports or queries that your customers might ask is can now be served by the existing team which is running and maintaining this, right? And for this, what is the cost? So cost for this is the initial cost of 4 tech people for 3 months, and the cost of 2 tech people which you need to run as business as usual. Now, as you can see, with this cost, what you get is a pretty standard and you know uh, static dashboards, and anything more that you need to do, it needs to be done as a development effort. And as you grow and scale with more customers, scaling with this kind of a solution is going to be difficult because it directly means that you have to increase the team size here to scale with more customers. How does this case compare when you use a tool like Orcablue, which is a plug and play data analytics platform that is purpose built to enable you to serve customer facing analytics instantly. So let's go ahead and just plan that out, right? So you have a tool like Orcablue, and which is able to connect to your data directly and serve data analytics as required. It's a fully self-serve platform. So all you need to do is these 20-25 dashboards also that you want to embed in your platform, that you can build in minutes within your within Orcablue, right? And to do all of this, you don't need a tech team. You don't need somebody who's a front-end developer or a back-end developer. All you need is somebody who understands your customer's business, your data, your platform, and understands what the customers are asking for, right? So a simple business analyst, right? It should be more than enough within Orcablue, and serve it to your customers with these dashboards being completely customizable and explorable. It's going to take probably a month to build this, right? And once that is done, the same single business analyst can continue supporting this throughout the year. Right. And what are you going to get out of this? Right. What do you get as an output when you do it with Orcablue? Right. Um, Same, a data analytics module, but the difference is that this is fully self-serve. Plus embedded analytics in your platform. 20 to 25 template dashboards or reports that are fully customizable or explorable by each users. Okay. And all of this you can roll out to your customers in a month. So this is what you get with a platform like Orcablue. And for this, what is the cost? So let's look at the cost. So cost for this is, first you have the one BA's cost that you have to pay, and apart from that, Orcablue's licensing costs for 300 to 400 users, and this is between 2,500 to 3,000 USD per month. So now what you have is a team who's going to build you a custom data analytics module, and this is going to cost you to maintain the team and run the team, right? So and depending on how you want to do this, whether you have the resources or the team to start this right away, or whether you need to find the team before you can start, will decide on when you are able to offer this data analytics module to your customers. But once you offer it, you have a platform module that is serving data analytics to your customers through interactive reports and dashboards, and any new requirements or reports that your customers might come up with, your existing team of 2 people can build them and serve it to them accordingly. So as you can see here, with a cost that is much less than what you would need to build in-house, you are able to offer your customers with a fully self-serve portal where they can ask questions in English and build the visuals or dashboards that they want, embed those standard dashboards into your platform, and roll all of this out to your customers within a month. So instead of having to build out a data analytics module for yourself in-house, to use a plug and play platform like Orcablue is going to help out not just in cutting down your cost, but also in going to your customers much faster and with a much more fulfilling experience. Thank you.